Good evening. Welcome to the part 2 of my weekly advanced method of Elliott Wave analysis on currency, commodities, crypto, stock. Okay, I stopped halfway because of some issues. You know, as I told you, I traveled to the village and things are not in order, but I'm trying to get you the analysis. Okay, now. Okay, now let me continue from where I stopped. This is gold. Last time I told you gold that we are expecting a move to the upside, and after that we're gonna get the move to the downside. It happened that although it went a bit far as we thought it would happen, it went a bit farther than we expected. We thought we thought it would go to around 1820 before going down, but it went as far as 1830 and above. So now gold is coming down. Maybe it will end here and go up, or it may end here. I would like to see gold to this level. Then I can begin to buy, because it may end here and do this and come back with this again. I come back again. Okay, as I was saying before the interruption, gold, I'm expecting gold to come to this level at least, and maybe drop to this level before going up. Okay, I have not seen a clear structure that shows me that gold is going up. Though on 1 hour chart, there are some moves that seems to be bullish, but those moves have violated the Elliott Wave count. Okay, this is 1 hour. Okay, now with this, I'm of the opinion that gold will do something like this and come down. And looking at this chart, according to Elliott Wave, this cannot be wave. This move is lower than this, so it's going to be wave 1. So if this is wave 1, then this will be A, B, C. Then this will be wave 2. If this is 1, this will be 2. And if this is 3, it's not proper, because wave 4 cannot come to the territory of wave 1. Okay, so it has violated the Elliott Wave theory. And secondly, this is not shape of a correction. This is more of an impulse. So this is my take. My take is this. This is 1. This is 2. Maybe this is 3, or 3, or we may get 3 somewhere here. Then 4. Then we get A, B, C. Sorry, 3, A, B, C. We get 4. Then 5 somewhere down, and so on. So I would like to sell gold, but when the market opens, I will check if I get a corrective move, something like this. Then I would like to sell gold. But if I get more push down, I will wait for something like this. I will sell. But if I get a sharp reversal, I will watch to know if I will get something like this a correction, then I will buy. But for now, I did not trade gold last week because the structure wasn't clear for me. All the things was forming, and I was thinking we will have a proper ending diagonal. When I say proper, this ending diagonal, but I'm sorry, leading diagonal. But I expected this to cut to this level to make it a proper diagonal. Had it been it came to this level, I would have bought this, but because I'm not pretty sure of what it's doing, I leave it alone. And I was thinking it will end around here and go down. It will go beyond that. So that's they are all forecast, you know. So you may not get it accurately all the time, but hopefully gold will still drop by next week. Okay, silver. Silver is somewhat a kind of not clear of what it is trying to do. But based on this 4 hours move, this is a type of air wave. Then this is B. Then the B is what we call expanding flat. W, X, Y. So this B is an expanding flat. So if this drop continues, it means that my assumption is correct, A, B, C. But if we get this type of move, then this will happen. Okay, so 2 things are involved. This channel will serve as a resistance, then the price will drop. But if it's going to go sideways here, then it will likely break it and keep going up. All this we will wait at least the first day of trading. Before 12 noon on Monday, we know which is which. So on 1 hour, silver is clear on 1 hour what it's trying to do. And we're clear to some extent. You can see this is wave 1, and this is wave 2, and this move is enough to be wave 3. Okay, and this can be A, B, C. Though it's too steep, but it's a shape of a correction. You can see it. Then this is wave 4. Though it may still go deeper, but as long as it doesn't go so deep, it remains wave 4. And this will be wave 5. So we may see silver giving us 5 waves, then giving us A, B, C. And from there, we will know whether this is wave 1 or wave A. So whichever one, until it completes, we now know what how it is developing. For now, this setup is a buy setup. Unless the market opens, then I will know whether to buy it or not. New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD, to me, I did not expect this, and I don't expect this sharp move up. You know, I expect when this breaks, we get a good sell towards here, but it went up. Nevertheless, you will remember I always say that whenever the market does not get to the required target range, so it's just when we have an incomplete sequence, the market can still go back to complete it. This is one of the examples. This is the blue box where I am of the opinion the market will go, but it go there before it, and it went back to complete it. So now I will want to know whether it is now coming down to complete the move. That 1 hour chart will tell us. So let's go to 1 hour chart. Okay, 1 hour chart, you can see this is a bit above this here. So here can't be with or 2. But let's, by Monday, I will know whether this will give us with 2. Let's say this is with 1. Maybe we will have with 2. Then if you get with 2, then we look for 3, 4, and 5. But for now, let's wait and see what happens here, because this candle seems to like what we drop when market opens. But if that doesn't happen, if we get correction, then I will assume that this is with 1, 2, then selling will be good. Pounds JPY. On pounds JPY, pounds JPY, I have only one option on this pair, and that is to sell. I don't have any reason to buy pounds JPY, so it has gotten to our target. I think on Wednesday, when the market touched the blue box and gave us pin bar, I said it is buying all the way. So if you bought this, then like our video, share our video, make a comment, encourage us to do more. Since we're doing this free, and we are ever ready to teach you. All you need to do is to pay a little money, we teach you. Or then recommend others to our platform. That's what we can do for us. Okay, let's see 1 hour chart. So the 1 hour chart, this is the market turned from our blue box. Now I can tell you this is wave 1. I can tell you this is wave 1. Then this is wave 2. Then I think wave 3, it will keep dropping and give us wave 3. After that, after we get ABC, which will give us wave 4. Then wave 5 will be somewhere around here. So let us watch and see if it happens like that or not. But for me, I don't have any reason to buy again. Buy has gotten to where I targeted it will end, and it ended there, right inside the blue box. Okay. Pounds USD. And pounds USD, to me, this move, I wanted to show us daily charts for a reason. The reason is this. This move seems to me not enough for all this move, all this while. So I see this as wave W, then this as wave X, and this as wave Y, which is wave A. Though this wave B is always something like this, but this is steep. Nevertheless, it doesn't matter. I have seen wave B, wave 2, and that looks like this. So this is not the first time. So I'm looking for a drop to this level. Okay, that is according to the daily chart I'm looking at. So let's go down to 4 hours to see what we have on 4 hours. On 4 hours, we can see this move is it made a channel, and the channel is almost broken. This sharp move have almost broken the channel on wave 4. I'm sorry, on 4 hour time frame. So when we go, let's go to 1 hour to see if we get a sell setup. And as a matter of fact, I'm looking for a sell setup. So this is one of the pairs I will sell when market opens next week. We can see the 1 hour. Okay. So you see now, this move is a good move for selling. What I will do, I will watch for further drop. Or if I get something like this, then I will sell it from here. It will be a nice sell. And is that the risk reward is even entering the sale from here. this reward will be huge because your stop will be only little above this place. And if it be to drop, it will drop heavily. Okay, so that's what we have for pounds USD. Pounds CHF. Pounds CHF already is dropping. You can see it's a broken the channel and it's dropping. So no need to talk much about this. Let's go to 1 hour. 1 hour, you can see it. The only thing I have this as an I didn't close this during the weekend. It's open. I sold from either from here or from here. Okay, I sold up after the break of this channel. So I sold around here. So it's still open. We may have a little pullback and the selling continues. I can only close it if we have unexpected sharp move up. Okay, if not, the dropping is what I can tell you will happen. Pounds CAD. Pounds CAD made a 3 waves pullback right inside the blue box. There it is reversing. So in 1 hour, we're going to look for 3 waves pullback and sell. Okay, the 1 hour is making a channel. This type of trade is not always easy to take because you must be able to know whether if you keep doing this. Personally, I don't like trading this type of trade. But in this case, the only thing that will make me trade this pair is if I get this type of move. Then I would like to sell it from here. Okay, but if it keeps doing this, I may not trade it. Okay. So of course, if you have entered the trade around here, by now you'll be a good profit. But but everybody have his or her style of trading. I don't like trading this type of price movement. Pounds New Zealand. Pounds New Zealand has completed the move, 3 waves move. You can see in the blue box, though it didn't go deep in the blue box. Okay. But now it's going down. So hopefully this is wave 1. Wave 2 will be somewhere here. Then we have 3, 4, and maybe 5. So the next target is this place, is our next target. Okay, so let's go to 1 hour charts and see what we have there. 1 hour charts. Okay, 1 hour charts have 1 hour charts get an alternative. The alternative is this. Alternative that this is wave 1, then this is A, B, C, wave 2. Then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is wave 3. Then this is 1, A, B, C. Then here will be wave 4. And up there we be wave 5. After that, so whenever I have an alternative, so maybe we get this drop as wave 4, then wave 5 before going down. All this need to be confirmed. That is okay. So today is full of disturbances. No problem. So we like to have an alternative, as I said. So, but if we get a sharp move, then we ignore this. We ignore this and focus on the 4 hours chart we saw earlier. So these 2 alternatives I think if this happens better for us, we sell from here. Okay, so USD ZAR. If you remember last time, sorry, pounds ZAR. Remember last time I said that we have gotten to our target, that the price begin to go down. Now it's going down, so nothing to say, nothing much to say on it. The 1 hour chart is showing us that we have to continue selling at least to this level. Okay, this can be wave 1, wave 2. This is part of wave 3. Then it's going down. Pounds AUD. Pounds AUD have been going up gradually. Then with time it peaks on speed. But keep watching. Once you see the move below this line, enter sell, because it has been going up. It will go up forever. So the selling may be deeper than this, but at least the selling will come to this level, 1.87, 1.88. Okay, so that's what we have for pounds AUD. The 1 hour chart have shown us signs of selling. Okay, so now selling from here, stop loss here. Selling from here, stop loss here. So you make your choice. Though here is safer than here, because it may drop to this level and go back again. So as a matter of fact, for throughout last week, the pair have been buying. At least I know it will sell at least for 2 days before it will go up buying, in case if it want to buy again. So that's what we have for that. New Zealand CAD. New Zealand CAD is going down as we expected. The only difference is that we expected the correction to be deeper, but it was shallow. It's going down. So there's no problem whether it is deep or not. So let's go to 1 hour and see what will happen. I think we will likely have some drop again before it will be buy. So let's check 1 hour to see what will likely happen. So this is 1 hour chart. So you can see what's happened here seems to be as a result of news release. Sharp move, sharp move, sharp move, sharp move, and it keeps going up. So in my opinion, we will likely keep going down until it goes below this place. It needs to go below this place before we can see it buy. So, but to me, no, I don't see any reason to sell this pair. Okay, that's it. New Zealand JPY. New Zealand JPY is still within the channel for a long time, and I think the movement, the selling is not yet over. So, but for now, you're gonna have something like this. Like this is A, 1, 2, 3, B, C, then final drop. So if we get an A, B, C, I will sell from here to this place. But if it keeps going down, I will sell after it breaks this level. Then I will sell. So let's see 1 hour. So 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour is saying something not quite different. 1 hour may have completed the moving up. Mm. But this is too sometimes this type of move happens. So, but I will have more confidence. I'll have more confidence to see this before selling. Reason is this. This is with A or with W. And with X is always with B and X is always in 3 waves or more. So this can be with W of X, then this with X of X, and this with Y of Y. Sorry, of X. This to me is W X Y. Then this is A, B. If this happens, it will be C. Then selling will be more, I will say with more confidence. If it gives me this structure, because this will be a very nice, a complete structure. But sometimes such doesn't complete, it may truncate. So in case of, if it is going down, I will see it as a truncation, and I will likely, I want to sell it. I will sell it, put stop loss here. If it turns back, kiss my stop loss. I'll wait for it to finish the move up and sell again. Okay, but let me show you something. This is a sign of move. Market closed with sign of bearish continuation. If you know much about candlestick movement pattern, you know this candle is a bearish continuation. So we may not get this up move. So that's the message on this. New Zealand CHF, the daily. Okay, why I show you this daily chart is that this channeling have been long time moving, and in my opinion, it has completed unless it's going to do like Euro CHF I showed you earlier. So let's see 4 hours. So what I'm expecting is this type of move. So it will be a very nice trade. But to trade it, you have to be patient. Let first wave complete. Let's see with power time to know if we are getting ready for that. Now, this you can see we have a pin bar here, and it's what we call fakey. And one thing is that this move is sharp and strong again, but it seems to make another pin bar. If these 2 pin bar stands, my friend, this sell will be sweet. But wait for it to go above here. So let's say here is our wave 1, then here is our wave 2. That is if it keeps going up. If the market will to go up in a swift manner, not going up like this. If it go up like this, then it will drop again. But if you see a swift move, then get ready for this buying. So I'm again waiting for buy confirmation on this. Okay. Okay, now see the 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart. The 1 hour chart. If this is wave 1 is proper, but this move as wave 2, I don't like it. This drop is too sharp. Or sometimes wave 2 can behave anyhow. Wave 2 can come to this level and still go up. As long as it does not close below the start of wave 1, it's still valid. So maybe in this type of trade, we will get something like this. Drop again before this. So this type of thing happens when wave 2 does not start properly. Had it been this this move, maybe something like this, B, C. Then I'll have no fear if it will go up or not. If it has made this type of move, then I'll just sell, buy and put stop loss below this place. Okay, but for now, let me watch. Secondly, what I will likely do again. You see, this move, the market got to this level and returned with speed. If when market opens and this move continues, I'll just enter the buy. Stop loss will be here. But mind you, if you're taking this type of trade, then know that it may return from here. So if you trade like me in such an aggressive manner, when the price goes above this level, move your stop to here. In case if it drops, you don't lose your money. You may give back some of your profit, but you don't lose your money. But the best way to trade is to wait for it to go above this place. Then buying will be good. CHF JPY. Remember this pair? What I told you about this? That to me, this is wave A, and wave B is the wave B is giving us so much waves like W, X, Y, which is another A of this B. Then this is B of this B. Then C of this B before we get to wave C. Now you might not understand all these things, but they are easy to understand. But you need to join our class. We teach you. I cannot teach you everything while I'm making an analysis. Otherwise, it will not be an analysis. It will be a lesson. So now, in my opinion, this market will go to this level to give us the big A, B, C. Though not a must, it will happen, but it will likely happen. It will likely happen. So now, what I plan to do? I plan to trade this market once it goes below this last swing low. I will sell it from here. So at least I'm pretty sure it will go to this level. When I'm in much profit, I will move my stop in case it doesn't want to do that, because it can do this and go up. But it's most unlikely. It's most unlikely. So I expect it to come to this level. Now let's check the 1 hour to see what we have there. Okay, the 1 hour. Okay, I even put a line. So once it's close below this place, I think it's good to go. I mean, it's good to say once it goes below this place. But if it keeps going up, I advise you don't buy, because any moment from now to go down, it has been going up for a long time. You can see it. You can see it. So it can't go up forever. So let's watch and see if we get this sell. And if the sell comes, it will be so sweet. Okay. I got to the end of this analysis. I still have 2 more to do. One is some stock and indices. Then the last one will be cryptos. Let me first share this very one on my YouTube, Telegram, and the WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you for watching. Remember, we are ever ready to teach you. If you want to learn, we're going to teach you. Contact us on this number 234-80-60-80-9963. This very number is on WhatsApp, Telegram, you can make a call, SMS, just reach out to me on this very number, and I'll take details on how to join my class. The amount we charge is very, very small, very, very small amount. The amount, the profit you can make in a single trade or in a week. Okay, so do yourself the good deed of joining our class. Now that I have time to teach, I keep saying it. Now that I have time to teach, that will come when I don't have time to teach. I know why I'm saying it. Okay, all right. God bless you as you trade with care. Bye bye.